बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We started class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is English language text. This is your last video of first semester final term. I have taught you all stuff which is related to the first semester final term. Today I will review your all stuff. Now come towards the board. Unit number, I have taught you unit number 11, celebrating success Amy Johnson, which is taught you in class when you are coming school. I will review unit number 11 first, celebrating success, the story of Amy Johnson. The story is about Amy Johnson. When she was a child, so that time she hated school because some children said her ugly Amy, so that she told her parents that she hated school. After that her favorite films she watched in cinema, which is related to the plane or airfield. So that time she decided to become a pilot. That time there is no concept of that woman pilot. So she decided to become a pilot. She worked hard to become a pilot. People made fun of her. लोगों ने उसका काफ़ी मजाक उड़ाया, but she got her goal. She flew a plane from England to Australia, and then after that people appreciated her. Now come towards our next topic, unit number 13, Hurricane Harry, which is related to the storm. It was a violent storm which arrived at 4 o'clock in the morning. People were sleeping when it arrived. So it smashed everything, and it is very biggest devastation. There are a lot of people which were victims due to Hurricane Harry. Now come towards of unit number 15, the Olympic Games. It is most important athletic competition in all over the world. Many athletes come from all over the world to take part. But in ancient time there is no concept that women could take part, or there is also no concept of that first, second, third. Just winner, only one prize. After the in modern time, women can also take part, and also they can take part, and also there is a concept of first, second, third. Now, unit number 16, the Martian and the supermarket. This is a story of alien which came of another planet. He lost his way and wanted to go at home. Now look at that Judy will help him or not. Now come towards of unit number 17, the visit. It is about all a story about the zoo. Lizzie is a student. Mrs. Mills took her class to visit to the zoo. She saw many animals there which are in danger. In danger means खतरे में they will, if they die like this, so they will extinct. Means इंडेंजर मीन्स खतरे में है, वो किसी टाइम ऐसा होगा कि एक वक्त को, जैसे कि आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट अबाउट द डायनासोर्स दैट दे आल्सो एक्सटिंक्ट, गायब हो चुके हैं. और लाइक दिस टाइगर, चिंपैंजीज एंड एलिफेंट्स, crocodiles, they are also endangered animals. Now come towards our exercises of books. Now here is unit number 11, celebrating success, the story of Amy Johnson. You can see here, when she was young, so that time she hated school because students made fun of her. They told her ugly Amy. After that she became a pilot and she flew a plane from England to Australia. You can see here. Now come to words of exercises. Comprehension. Number the sentence in the correct order. You have to number them in a correct order. You know very well that I have taught you that how will you do them in correct order. After that I have taught you comprehension 2. There are 5 questions. You will find the answer in your content solution. After that, vocabulary, join the words, write the compound words. You know very well what are compound words. A compound words is made of 2 words joined together. Means you can see here, like you can see I am giving you example 1, tooth. When we add brush, so it becomes compound words. Okay. Now come to words of next page, page number 97, which is spelling. The spelling is about soft C. When the letter C is followed by I, E or Y is usually sound like S, we call this a soft C. Means जब S जो है, जब C की S की sound देता है C, that time we call it soft C. What you have to do, read, underline the soft C in each word. You have to underline the soft C in each word which gives the sound of S. You will underline that one C. Like I am giving you one example, circle, that there are 2 C, but you will underline just only one C which is giving the sound of S. The C, here is a C giving the sound of K, so that time you will not circle them, you will just circle that one C which is giving the sound of C. Now come to words of second spelling number 2. Write the words which begin with a soft C. आपको वहाँ पे वो words लिखने हैं which start from the C. And also you have to write here that one words which there is a C inside them. जिसमें C जो होगा उनके बीच में होता है. Number 3. Read the clause. Match each clue with the correct soft C word. You have to read clues, each word clue with the correct soft C word. You have to read it and select correct word. Now come to words of class setting, which is related to the Amy. You have to tell that there are 90, 30, 38 her flights. There are some information about her flights. So you have to write about the flight 1931 to and 1932 and 1933 to 1938. Now some information is about the Second World War. You have to also put the information here. Amy achievements, you have to tell also that about her goal which she have got. Okay. Now come to words of unit number 12, 13. Hurricane Harry. The story is about storm, superstorm strikes. I have told you before that it is about storm which is very violent, which was very violent. It arrives at 4 o'clock, यानी 4 o'clock को आया था morning में when people were sleeping, जब लोग सो रहे थे. It smashed everywhere, यानी इसकी वजह से काफ़ी तबाही हुई. Now come towards of exercises. Comprehension 1. What you have to do here? Read this together. Think of good word for each group. You have to think good word. Means suitable word you will write here. By the content you have to focus this and you have to read carefully. After that there are 4 questions. You have to answer them. You will write the answer from the content solution. Now come towards the vocabulary. Sometimes we can group words of some same subject together. For example, teacher, school, student. Means discuss meaning, circle any words to do with a hurricane. Means yani hurricane se related you have to circle or those words which is related to the hurricane. After that write the many different words about the weather as you can. Different words you have to write the different words about the weather. Different words लिखने हैं weather के बारे में. Now come to words of spelling. Can you find 2 words in the newspaper on page 109 that end with or words that and or are often in the names people who do things. It are talking about those words which ends in the or. OR पे end होते हैं. Now come to words of question. Complete each word with OR. You have to put here OR. Write the words, read the words, discuss what they mean, and after you also you have to discuss what they mean. Okay. You have to just put here OR. Now come to words of spelling 2. Write the words from set A in alphabetical order. After putting the OR, you will also put them in alphabetical order. Now come to words of write the words from set B in alphabetical order. You will also first of all you will put OR, then you will put them in alphabetical order. Number 4, make up a sentences about each word right in your copybook. You have to make sentence and there are some words you have to use them in your sentences. Now come to words of class writing. Write a paragraph about what happened to the 4 different people on the island. Imagine what each person said to you. There are pictures of 4 people. They are telling about what they have lost in Hurricane Harry and they are telling their situation. So you have to write about them. Okay. Now come to words of next topic. Unit number 15, which was the Olympic Games. I have told you that the Olympic Games are the most important athletic competition. यानी ये बहुत ज़्यादा important competition है in the world. Many athletes आते हैं उधर हिस्सा लेने के लिए. कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं किसी भी कंट्री से और इसमें हिस्सा लेते हैं. और यहाँ there are different games होते हैं इसमें. Now come to words of their exercises. Comprehension 1. What you have to do? Look at the chart on page 127. You have to take the help of page 127 and answer these questions. Page 127 से ये help लेंगे, उसके बाद you will answer them. There are 4 questions which is related to the page number 127. You can see here. You will pick the answer from this page. Here is a sum of the 20th century Olympic Games. So you will pick the answer from the 127. Now come to words of comprehension 2. Discuss your answer to this question. Here are some four questions. You will answer from the content. Now come to words of vocabulary. Use the first letter for each sport. Put them in alphabetical order. The words all about sports, you have to put them in alphabetical order. And also here are some sports in vocabulary 2. Use the second letter of each. Put them in alphabetical order. You used first letter to put them alphabetical order. In the second vocabulary number 2, you will put second letter. You will pick out second letter and put them alphabetical order. In a third vocabulary, use the third letter. Means you will use third letter for putting them in alphabetical order. Now come towards the spelling. Read the words, underline the O that sound like U in each word. I have taught you that sometimes U gives the sound, O gives the sound of U. So you have to underline them, which is giving the sound of U. Okay. Now come towards the spelling number 2. Write the words in the alphabetical order. यही words हैं. You will put them in alphabetical order. These words you will use here. After that, write the word that means the same. You will write the words which gives the same meaning. Now come to words of class rating. Here are some information about swimmers. You will make a column in your copy and you will read carefully and you will put the information by the help of content. You can see the chart. You will make like this, and there are 7 swimmers. You have to put the information of 7 swimmers in this chart. Now come towards unit number 16. The Martian in the supermarket. It was an alien which came from another planet. दूसरे planet से आया था ये. Okay, he has lost his way. अपना रास्ता भूल गए और वापस घर जाना चाहते हैं. And here is a Judy है. Maybe he will help him to get his home back. हो सकता है कि मैं उनकी हेल्प करूँ उनके घर जाने में वापस. Now come to words of exercises. Comprehension. Think of ending for each sentence. You have to put the ending of each sentence. Means you have to complete this sentence by putting any word. Suitable word. You will write here words with the help of content. Discuss your answer to these questions. Here are 5 questions. You have to answer them. After that, vocabulary. Complete the speaking verbs from the story. You have to complete these words. These words are called speaking verbs. Said, asked, whispered. Now come to words of vocabulary 2. Write a word that means same. Means you have to write here the meaning, same meaning. Use the treasure on page 167. You also use the page 167. Think of a suitable speaking word for each sentence. You have to write here speaking words. Suitable, it should be suitable for each sentence. Okay. Now come towards the spelling. Here are some, the topic is about syllable sums. So do these syllable sums. Here are some breaking words. You have to syllable them. Means you have to sum them. Number 2, use the correct word in the complete sentence, each sentence. You will write here suitable words for completing the sentence. After that, here is a class writing, which is about Martian. It is a story about when Judy carried his Martian to his home, and after that her mom will see what will happen, क्या होगा, और students स्कूल लेके जाएंगे तो क्या होगा. Its story is about after it arrived at Jody's home. जब वो उनके घर पहुंचेंगे उसके बाद की सिचुएशन. You have to write the answer by the help of content. Now come towards the next topic, unit number 17. The visit. The visit. Lizzie and her class are going to the visit to the zoo. She saw many animals. You can see here chimpanzees, crocodiles, tigers, elephant. Chimpanzees and tiger are endangered animals. Means endangered animals है, खतरे में है. Maybe if अगर इसी तरह से इनके जैसे कि लोग इनका people hunt tiger and chimpanzees. So for the making things, चीज़ें बनाने के लिए they become extinct. Means गायब हो जाएंगे बिल्कुल. इस वजह से zoo keep their these rare animal to breed and have babies. मतलब zoo जो है इनके अफजाइश नस्ल की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इनको रखिए जू के अंदर, जू कीपर्स. नाउ कम टू वर्ड्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेस. Comprehension, number the sentences in the correct order. You have to number the sentences in correct order. That the story is about Lizzie, what she saw first. You will order them. After that there are some questions. Discuss your answer to this question. Yeah, there are 4 questions. You have to answer them by the content, help of content. The vocabulary is about same meaning. You have to write here same meanings in front of all words. Vocabulary number 2, choose the correct antonym for each words. You have to write here antonyms, means you will write here opposite words. The opposite words you will write here. Now come towards spelling. Make these words, read the words you make. Sometimes some words start from the AL and sometimes some words ends with the AL. So you will write here words with the sum of AL. Then I'll put the AL in front of them and write the word again here, and put the AL in the end of word and write the words again. Now come to words of class writing. Here are some class writing. Think of something you have done together as a class. Did you? There are 6 options for you that what you have done with your class together as a class. You will write one of them. किसी एक में लिखेंगे आप. After that choose an event and write and class recount of it together. कोई भी topic choose करके you will answer these all of question what you have done together as a class. Now here is the content. Unit number 11, celebration. Chapter exercises. Comprehension 1 and 2. I have taught you vocabulary 1 and spelling 1, 2, 3 and class writing 1, 2. It's all about Amy Johnson, celebration of Amy Johnson, unit number 11. After that I have taught you unit number 13, Hurricane Harry, which is related to the storm I have taught you before. There are comprehension 1, 2, vocabulary 1, 2 and spelling 1, 2, 3, 4 and class writing 4. After that I have taught you unit number 15, the Olympic Games, most important athletic competition. In the Olympic Games I have taught you comprehension 1, 2, vocabulary 1, 2, 3, spelling 1, 2, 3 and class writing. Then I have taught you unit number 16. There are comprehension 1, vocabulary 1, 2, 3, spelling 1, class writing 1. And in the end I taught you unit number 17, the visit. The story is about zoo. Many animals which are endangered. In the visit I have taught you comprehension 2, vocabulary 1, 2, spelling 1, class writing 1, 2. And after that, the visit, I make you on the board, make you write on the board text comprehension, which is related from the page number 149. As you can see here, it's about chimpanzees, tiger, African elephant, Arabian oryx and crocodile. Do your work as soon as possible. The content are giving to you of 5, 6, 7 as you can see, and with the content the assignment are giving to you. You will solve yourself. Do your work according to your content solution. If you have any problem, so watch video again and again. You can see previous videos. What? Okay class, you will focus. The exams will be given, will be taken. Exams लिए जाएंगे when inshallah school will open. Memorize all copy work. You will maintain your index according to your day or date, and also you will make title page which should be impressive, colorful. I have told you before that it is my last video, and I am repeating again that if you have any problem, so you can watch my previous video again and again. Now time is over. Stay with me. If God's willing, we will meet again. Have a nice day. See you. Allah Hafiz.